Today I'm going to be showing you the Student Engagement Roster. The Student Engagement Roster is a tool for professors and advisors to leave you comments. Comments might cover attendance, participation, performance, and recommendations for improvement. SER is also an early warning system. SER is how professors track students' attendance, and if professors notice a student struggling with attendance or classwork, they can message you through SER to connect you with resources on campus. You will get notified of comments through your IU email. Faculty and staff get a notification when a student views the comments. SER can be accessed through your one.iu account, so once you're on this page, make sure you're logged in, and then come up to the search bar. Here you'll type Student Engagement, and you'll get two options, one for faculty and one for students. Make sure you click on the one that's for students. That'll load up this page. This is what the SER page looks like. You can heart it so you don't have to search for it in the future, but for now we'll hit start. And you can see here the SER page gives you a list of your classes and any recommendations that your teacher have for you. We hope you found this tutorial useful.